Dead battery. Nothing. So I've got a dead battery on the motorcycle, but today I've got a halo bolt. This is something, in my opinion, that just about every American can use. If you drive a car or some kind of vehicle, go camping, if you have an RV, if you have a cabin, anything like that, this thing is great. It'll not only jump a battery on a vehicle, but anything that's 120 volt it can run. It can run anything that's USB powered. It has a built-in flashlight and really packs a big punch for something in a small package. This is about the size of a modem, a computer modem. So today we're going to put it through its paces, but first let's see what's in the box and check it out. Obviously the halo. You get your jumper cables, which are actually nice and compact and light. You get a USB cable, directions, of course. You also get the wall charger and a handy dandy storage bag, which is pretty cool. Just throw all this gear in there. Fits nice in a glove box. It's not heavy. You could throw it in a backpack or something if you wanted to. So let's get to testing this thing. Allegedly, it can jumpstart a V8 engine 70 times without dying. So what a great opportunity to see if it'll turn the motorcycle over. Okay, so here's the battery. Here's the clips that come with the halo. And to jumpstart, we just pull this flap right here. Plug our plug in. Press the jump start button. You get a flashing green light. As soon as that turns solid green like that, you're supposed to be ready to go. Let's see if it works. So once it's jump started, it'll actually shut itself off. That way it conserves energy for the next time you need it. So we've seen that the halo can jumpstart a vehicle 70 times in a row. I don't know, I don't really have a way to test that. But what other kind of practical ways can we use this? Let's find out. So this is brand new, and you can see it's plugged into the wall. It's fully charged. Once the green lights come on, all four of them, and they stay solid like that, that means it's 100% charged. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a 9-watt LED bulb, and this is a brand new bulb. I'm going to put it into a fixture, and I'm going to see how long this halo can run that bulb. We're going to just run a clock on it. Just plug into the side here. Turn this on. That'll give you the solid green light. Flip the switch on here. Right now it's saying 2:29 p.m. January 3rd. And let's let the clock tick. Okay, so I took a little break last night. Shut this off while I was sleeping. 7:43 a.m. I'm going to plug this back in. There it goes. Lit back up. Alright, light's finally out. It's about 10:30. So let's see how long this thing was on for a total. Alright, we're all charged up again, ready for the next test. So another cool thing that the halo can do is anything that's run on a USB can plug into it and the halo can charge it. So I've got my halo all charged up again. You can see it's 4. So what I'm going to do is run my computer off of the halo and see how long it'll go. And I want to note that my computer is really old and it's definitely not energy efficient. So we'll see how long this goes. So 124 right now. We'll see how long we can make the halo last running the computer. It just shut off. It definitely did not last as long as I thought it would. 326 right now. So really didn't do too great. So I think the halo's weak spot is probably appliances that are running constantly. My computer does pull a fair amount of power, especially this dinosaur that I've had for probably, I don't know, 8-10 years. So it looks like the halo went for about 2 hours with the laptop. Not real impressed with its performance on that. but I will say that I was using my computer constantly the whole time. Screen was on and I'm doing things. So final review on the Halo, what do I think? I'm not sure that it's all it's cracked up to be, but for $75, which is what I paid for it, I think it does a lot for $75, and I think it's a cheap insurance policy if you want to throw it in your car, if your battery ever dies, or if you're driving somewhere and you need to run your computer, or you need to charge your cell phone, or you're stranded on the side of the road and you have something you can plug in for a light, or you've got a light right here that'll probably last for 20 hours. It's a small LED light. I think it does a lot for what the price is. It seems like it's pretty well built. It's real solid. Comes in a bunch of different colors if you want different colors. So overall, pretty cool, I think. And I also want to say that I've had this in my glove box in my car through cold spells and checked it, and I just wanted to see if it would hold a charge through the cold, because obviously you want it to work when it needs to work, and it did. It kept a full charge. So if you're keeping this in a cabin or you're using it for camping or something like that, you don't always remember to charge it at the convenient times to charge it, but I think it does its job. It stays charged, and it seems like it performs pretty well for that. Well, thanks for tuning in. This is Retired at 40. Until next time, remember to live life simple. We'll catch you next time.